Have you ever wondered why pomegranates are often hailed as a superfood? Well, these vibrant ruby red fruits are not only delicious but also packed with numerous health benefits. Today, we're diving deep into the world of pomegranates, exploring their fascinating health benefits and summarizing the key points about this fantastic fruit. Pomegranates, small and unassuming on the outside, hold a treasure trove of benefits on the inside. Bursting with juicy arils, each one of these tiny seeds is a powerhouse of nutrients. Rich in antioxidants, pomegranates offer a robust defense against free radicals, those pesky molecules that can cause harmful oxidative stress in our bodies. But that's not all. Pomegranates are also excellent sources of dietary fiber, helping to promote a healthy digestive system. They're low in calories too, making them a perfect snack for those who are mindful of their calorie intake. Now let's talk about the heart. Pomegranates are known to be heart-friendly. They help to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of heart disease. That's some serious cardiovascular love right there. Another fascinating benefit of pomegranates is their anti-inflammatory properties. Thanks to the presence of punicalagin, a super antioxidant, pomegranates can help reduce inflammation in the body, offering relief to those suffering from conditions like arthritis. Pomegranates also have a reputation for being cancer-fighting fruits. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that the antioxidants in pomegranates can help inhibit the growth of cancer cells, particularly in breast and prostate cancer. And if that's not enough, pomegranates can also help improve memory and cognitive function. So, the next time you're reaching for a brain-boosting snack, consider a handful of pomegranate seeds. To summarize, pomegranates are truly a gift from nature. They're antioxidant-rich fruits that help fight off free radicals. They promote a healthy digestive system, thanks to their high fiber content. They're heart-friendly, helping to lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. They possess anti-inflammatory properties, providing relief for certain health conditions. They may have potential cancer-fighting capabilities, and they can help boost memory and cognitive function. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook the humble pomegranate. It's more than just a fruit. It's a superfood packed with a multitude of health benefits. Remember, great things often come in small packages, and the pomegranate is a perfect example of this.